Stars may look eternal in the night sky, but every star has a life story, and every star eventually reaches its end. A star begins its life inside a huge cloud of gas and dust called a nebula, where gravity slowly pulls material together. For millions or even billions of years, stars produce energy by fusing hydrogen into helium deep inside their cores. But eventually, the star begins running out of hydrogen, and its peaceful life starts to change dramatically. Stars like our sun expand into enormous red giants as their cores collapse and their outer layers swell outward. Smaller stars shed their outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula and leaving behind a tiny hot white dwarf. But the largest stars experience a much more violent ending when their enormous cores can no longer support themselves. The star explodes in a supernova, one of the most powerful explosions in the entire universe. If the remaining core has enough mass, it can become a neutron star, an object with unbelievable density. If the core is even more massive, gravity wins completely, creating one of the universe's greatest mysteries, a black hole. A supernova does not only destroy a star, it also creates and spreads heavy elements across the universe. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, and many elements around us were forged inside ancient stars. A neutron star may be small, but it can contain more mass than our sun packed into a city-sized sphere. Some neutron stars spin rapidly and release beams of energy, becoming objects known as pulsars. When a massive star's core collapses beyond a certain limit, it can create a black hole with gravity so powerful that even light cannot escape. Near a black hole, gravity becomes so extreme that it bends the path of nearby objects and even the path of light. The death of one star can provide the materials needed for the birth of new stars and planetary systems. In the universe, the death of stars is not truly an ending, but part of an endless cycle of creation. Our sun will also die one day, but billions of years from now it will peacefully transform into a white dwarf rather than explode. Every shining star in the sky has a beginning and an end, reminding us that the universe is constantly changing. The death of stars gives the universe the ingredients needed to build planets, oceans, and even the elements inside our own bodies. In space, nothing is truly wasted. The remains of old stars become the building blocks of new worlds. A supernova can release an unbelievable amount of energy, sometimes shining brighter than entire galaxies for a short time. Even today, scientists continue exploring the mysteries of black holes, neutron stars, and the incredible lives of stars. When a star dies, its story does not end. Its remains can travel across the universe and help create the next generation of stars. Stars may die, but their death gives birth to new cosmic wonders. The universe is a never-ending story of destruction, creation, and rebirth.